Alex.
Warmer on the way, Harriet, but at the moment still fairly chilly temperatures. We have got more sunshine today compared with yesterday, so some blue skies here in Essex, and although it will tend to cloud over at times this afternoon, we've got warmer weather really by the end of the week into the weekend with some long spells of sunshine. For now though, those temperatures are held back, particularly on the North Norfolk coast, around 12 degrees here, but further south where we get that sunshine, 15 perhaps 16 degrees into the afternoon. So the cloud will come and go. We'll see some breaks here and there. We could see some fleeting showers, particularly across parts of Norfolk, but they look fairly isolated. Most places staying dry, and into the evening and overnight we'll see variable amounts of clouds, some clear spells out there. Last night some places got down below freezing, but tonight it won't be quite so chilly. Lows of around 5 or 6 degrees as we start the day tomorrow. So high pressure still bringing us this very settled weather, dry conditions continuing for several days to come. Tomorrow we've still got that northeasterly, the position of the high allowing those northeasterly winds to perhaps bring in 1 or 2 very light showers for parts of Norfolk and perhaps into parts of Cambridgeshire, but they really will be fleeting because most places look like they'll have a dry day into the afternoon with some sunshine. Temperatures lifting, so a little warmer tomorrow, likely to get to around 16 or 17 degrees. Still cooler on the coast with that northeasterly. Now, changes on the way because the high pressure will start to move to the east, and as it does so we start to get this easterly direction, so that brings in drier air from the continent and that will help to break up the cloud and bring us more sunshine, but also a warmer air mass, so we are going to see those temperatures lifting over the next few days. So quite a change. For Thursday a little warmer, Friday warmer still, and we'll see those temperatures rising into the weekend up to 22, perhaps 23 Celsius. Long spells of sunshine, so sort of plenty of sunshine on the outlook. A small possibility of some thunderstorms developing for Sunday, so we need to keep an eye on that. In terms of overnight temperatures, these are the next few nights, so nothing too chilly over the next few days. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex.
Just about.
Yes.
Tell us about the weather then, Alex. What's happening?
It's been fairly chilly and a little cloudy over the last couple of days. I mean, it's also been dry, but we have seen some sunshine here today. Yes, it looked cloudy there in Suffolk, but this weather watcher captured some blue sky and sunshine in Bedfordshire. Now, the reason for this dry weather has been high pressure that's been over the top of us. That northeasterly wind has made it feel quite chilly, but we've got changes on the way into the weekend because although it does look warm, dry and sunny initially, there is now the chance of some thunderstorms developing on Sunday. Some uncertainty on the detail, but certainly worth staying tuned to the forecast over the next couple of days. Now, 1 or 2 fleeting showers possible this evening and overnight, but a largely dry picture. There'll be some areas of cloud that come and go and a few clear spells developing, but not as chilly as last night. Some parts of the region got below freezing last night. It was a chilly start to the day this morning, but tonight temperatures expected to get to around 5 or 6 degrees at their lowest. In terms of winds, they'll ease down a little, still a brisk northeasterly on the North Norfolk coast, and that'll still be a feature of the weather through the day tomorrow. The high pressure, the position still allowing that northeasterly, so that's going to drag in cloud once more, but it looks more promising that into the afternoon most areas should see some brightness and some sunshine, and with that some warmth. So across the south the highest temperatures likely to be recorded around 16 or 17 degrees here, still 13 degrees right on the coast up there in Norfolk with that northeasterly wind, but that is set to change as our wind direction changes. So what is likely to happen is the high pressure moves across Scandinavia. We've got to keep our eye on this area of low pressure to the south because that could bring some thunderstorms on Sunday. But as I say, uncertainty in the detail. The big change is that easterly dragging in warmer air. So we'll see those temperatures lifting, drier air as well. So more sunshine on offer. In fact, a good deal of sunshine over the next few days, but just that question mark over Sunday. But those temperatures are likely to lift to around 20 degrees into the weekend. And in terms of overnight temperatures, well, last night was our chilliest night. Nothing too chilly over the next few nights. Amelia.
Alex, thank you very much.
Hello. The weather looks warmer for the end of the week and into the weekend, but for now we still have a chilly northeasterly. It could bring 1 or 2 showers across some parts of the region this evening, but most places stay dry. Some clear spells out there, not quite so chilly as last night. Temperatures dropping to around 4 or 5 degrees at the lowest. So into tomorrow, high pressure still with us. That promises more dry weather over the next few days. We still have that northeasterly to contend with through the day tomorrow, so that will mean a cloud pushing in from the North Sea at times, but there'll be increasing amounts of brightness and sunshine into the afternoon, and it will feel warmer compared with today. Temperatures across the south could be as high as 16 or 17 degrees. On the North Norfolk coast, a little chillier with that onshore breeze. And for the end of the week and into the weekend, long spells of sunshine on the way, and it's going to be warmer.